For centuries, people have looked to the stars and wondered, are we alone? Stories from ancient times to modern sci-fi suggest that aliens may have visited Earth. Whether real or imagined, aliens beings have fascinated humans and sparked countless theories, from mysterious moments to futuristic technologies. Let's explore 20 inventions that myth, legends, and movies claims were influenced or gifted by aliens. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholaress. 20 inventions, real and imagined, linked to aliens. Number 1. Pyramids of Egypt. Some believe aliens helped ancient Egyptians build them. Crop circles, strange patterns in fields often linked to alien messaging. Zero gravity technology, inspired by alien spacecraft seen in UFO sightings. Laser technology, said to mimic alien weapon systems in sci-fi lore. Anti-gravity engines, based on alleged alien spacecraft propulsion. Microwave communication, claimed to be reverse engineered from alien technology, Roswell theory. Holograms, popularized in alien movies and now part of modern technology. Teleportation ideas, heavily inspired by alien abduction stories. Cloning concepts, alien stories often featured advanced bioengineering. Alien language decryption, inspired AL translation tools and linguistics. Star maps and cosmic calendars, found in ancient cultures said to come from sky gods. Nanotechnology, claimed in alien theories as extraterrestrial science. Time travel theories, often tied to alien civilizations from the future. Advanced medical tools, inspired by alien healing machines in fiction. Mind control devices, appeared in alien stories, now inspire neural technology ideas. Stealth technology, UFO sightings influenced in the ideas of invisibility and radar's evasion. Fusion power concepts linked with alien ship power sources in sci-fi. DNA manipulation, theories suggest aliens altered human DNA. Alien alloys, mentioned in conspiracy theories as unknown metals. Spacecraft designs, sleek, disc-shaped designs still influence aerospace concepts today. And there you have it, 20 fascinating inventions and ideas that some believe may have originated far beyond Earth. Whether these tales are truth, theory, or cosmic coincidence, they opted a portal to a universe of possibility. Aliens, real or imagined, have long captured the human mind, inspiring stories, symbols, and science alike. From unexplained ancient technologies to future-forward inspirations in medicine, flight, and energy, the fingerprints of the unknown are scattered across our history. Could crop circles be messages? Could pyramids be power plants? Could anti-gravity someday free us from humans' grip? The deeper we explore the stars, the more we find ourselves questioning what we thought we knew. So maybe, just maybe, the real gift aliens give us isn't just inventions, but curiosity, wonder, bold imagination, and a constant push to reach the stars. Keep watching, keep questioning, and remember, the universe still has secrets waiting to be unlocked. The truth may not be out there, it may be within us all along.